Here's how to fix messages syncing with iCloud paused on your iPhone, because most of the reasons are common. Let's check and fix it now. First, ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection or mobile data. Poor Wi-Fi is one of the most common causes of this issue. You should also check that low power mode is turned off. A yellow battery icon indicates that low power mode is on. Disable it from the control center first. Then, check again. If it's still not syncing, keep your iPhone connected to a power source. Low battery can automatically stop syncing and background processes. Next, check and enable message syncing from settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on your Apple ID name, then scroll down a little and tap on iCloud. Under the See All section, tap on Messages in iCloud and enable the toggle Use on this iPhone. If it's already on, turn it off and then turn it back on. Sometimes the Sync Now option is grayed out because iCloud storage is full. Quickly delete unwanted data from iCloud and remove old backups to free up space for messages. I deleted my old iPhone backups and photo backups from iCloud storage. Then go back to the Messages iCloud Sync settings and tap on the Sync Now option. Wait a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the size of your messages. Finally, the status should change to Synced Just Now instead of Syncing Paused. If you're still facing an internal software bug, I recommend trying a force restart on your iPhone, then signing out of your Apple ID and signing in again. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Please like to support me and don't forget to subscribe for new video updates.